Okay, welcome to Chapter 11, 3D Geometry and 3D Measurement. Hopefully you guys had a chance to complete Do You Remember? We are just going to look at lesson 1, which is called Visualizing and Constructing Polyhedrons. Don't worry if you don't have the textbook. We're going to post the work that you need, but it just has a good definition of a polyhedron right here. Before we look at what a polyhedron is, I just wanted to review what a polygon is. So a polygon is just a fancy word for 2D shape, a 2D shape with closed sides and straight lines. So polygon is just a 2D shape. So all the shapes that we know, triangle, square, rectangle, hexagon, pentagon, octagon, all those kinds of shapes, they all have straight lines and they're closed shapes. So looking at a polyhedron today, it's just a fancy word for a 3D shape. A 3D shape with polygons as faces. And prisms and pyramids are two kinds of polyhedrons. So the lesson today is basically just visualizing and making the polyhedrons. And I'm going to help you do that because I have provided a bunch of 2D nets for you to cut out. So you can see there's a good selection here. Some of them you need, some of them you don't. I hope I have all of them. But basically they're all 2D nets here that you cut out, and you can just fold them along the lines, glue the little tabs down, and you can actually see what the 2D shape, the 2D net looks like as a 3D shape. So sometimes you'll be given the 3D shape drawn out and you'll have to visualize what it looks like deconstructed as a 2D net. So some of this is hard to visualize for some people. So that's why I've given you these nets just to practice. And here's an example of one. This is a net here that we have, and some of you might be able to visualize it already, but if you can't, you just cut it out, fold along the lines, and this is basically our triangular based prism. And you would, I'm not going to do the whole thing here, but you just fold all the sides and you tape them up, okay? So then you can visualize what it looks like as a 2D shape into a 3D shape. So all you need to know for today is what a polygon is. Polygons are the 2D faces, and a polyhedron is, folding them all up, and you have that 3D shape, okay? So cut those out, make them, keep them, because they might assist you further on in the chapter. And then we'll move on to surface area in the next lesson. Thanks for watching.